Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to TN Ebike channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a password on your Dalat V1 e-bike right here. So setting up a password is a very important feature on this bike. When you boot the password on the bike, just similar to your phone, people cannot access to the bike. Without the password, they cannot turn it on or use the throttle and also the pedal assist. So I do also want to mention that this password cannot substitute your U-lock or the chain lock. So the U-lock is very important because without the U-lock, for example, if you only use the password alone without the U-lock, people can always lift up the bike and then throw into a pickup truck or a van and then steal it away from you. So keep in mind that. And so I want to show you how to set up the password right now. So when you buy the Dalat V1 model right here, this will come with the instruction where you can boot the password. So for example, I'm going to show you. So first you have to turn on the display right here, okay, and then the instructions say you're gonna long press the plus and the minus button to kick into the B setting, and then after that you're gonna long press the plus and the power button in order to kick into the password setting. Okay, we're gonna do that right now. So first long press the plus and the minus button. Now it's kicked you into B setting. Then you're gonna long press the plus and power button. So right now it's allowed you to put in your password. For example, I'm gonna put 0, 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna press the plus and power button right here. And now you all set. And then when you get back to the B setting, you long press the plus and minus button. Okay, so the password has been put into this bike. And then I'm gonna turn it off to see if the password was already put in. Then turn it on again. As you can see, when you turn on the bike, it's gonna ask you to put the password into the bike. So without the password, people cannot use the throttle. The bike doesn't moving at all, even the pedal assist. Okay, so always have to put the password right here. I'm gonna use 0, 1, 2, 3. Then long press the power. Okay, now let's kick you in. And now you are able to use the throttle. Okay, so that's how you set up a password. So also if you want to remove the password on the bike when you already have it, I'm gonna also show you how to remove it. So you're gonna do the similar step, long press the plus and minus button, okay, and then plus and power button. Now it's gonna kick you into this setting. So if you want to reset, remove the password, you're gonna put 0 all the way to the end, 0, 0, 0, and then long press the power and plus button. Now the password already removed. Now I'm gonna test it. Turn it off. Turn it off and turn it on. Now it doesn't ask you to boot the password anymore. Okay, and now you can use the throttle. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. And if you guys have any question regarding the bike, just let me know. Just comment below, and then I'm gonna make more video like this to show you how to setting up the bike as you wish. And okay, thank you, and see you guys in next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All right, have a good one. Thank you.